Tarot and planetary alignments and future predictions for Leo 2026. So in tarot we have firstly the strength card. So again it signifies the inner strength. You're going to have an infinite potential to achieve what you want, and this particular strength, again I'm saying it's not going to, please do not confuse this with ego, but overall your inner strength is going to unleash your potential, and you can also be tested emotionally, but that's going to bring in a new side of your emotional intelligence that's going to be very fulfilling throughout this year. Last few years you might have asked to stay patient, but this year you're going to unleash yourself and also be responsible for holding things together. So true power comes from calm confidence and not force. This year teaches you emotional mastery and gentle authority. You can expect promotions and a leap in your career path in and around mid of June 2026, and have confidence, but that should not turn into aggression. So we have the Sun card for you, which is one of the most positive cards in tarot. Sun indicates optimism, vitality, and lot of happiness. So there's going to be visibility, recognition. There'll be joy, success, and confidence for you. There'll be a sense of being seen and appreciated. So you can expect an elevation in your finances also, and more inflow and career growth and public recognition post mid of 2026. There's going to be happiness in love and family life for you from September 2026, and renewal of confidence after self-doubt. We have the Wheel of Fortune card, which is a universal blessing card. There can be sudden opportunities, and whatever you are going to touch this year will turn into gold, because luck is going to favor your end. Long stuck situations can move forward, and luck increases when you take aligned action. However, this card reminds you that change is unavoidable. So flow with it instead of resisting it, because whatever changes are going to make you slightly uncomfortable, that is just testing you and to unleash your potential positively. So trust the timing, because it's working in your favor. Cosmic alignments affecting Leo in 2026. Mainly we have Jupiter in Leo, which is the most important transit, which is affecting the 2nd and the 8th house. So health can get better, and Jupiter enters your sign starting a powerful 12-year growth cycle in your 2nd house. So that's going to affect your promotions positively. There'll be a personal expansion. You're going to start something new. Good time to expand your business. More clientele orders are expected in and around this time. There'll be fame, visibility, and positive influence. New beginnings are also indicated in career, which can bring additional identity. This is your year to step into the spotlight and shine, because whatever you do now, it's going to carry on for the next 12 years and expand positively. We also have Saturn influencing Leo's 8th house, and Saturn is there almost throughout 2026. So this brings in deep emotional and psychological healing. So if you're undergoing a lot of stress or trauma, this year is going to help you heal, and there can be serious approach to shared finances and transformation through responsibility. You can use citrine for attracting more abundance and also level-heading your mind. Avoid shortcuts in money and relationships. Build trust slowly and consciously. We also have solar eclipse in Leo on 12th of August 2026. This is a life-changing eclipse for Leos. This eclipse resets your confidence, your life direction, and something old ends so a stronger version of you can emerge. Avoid major decisions in and around the eclipse time. You can also wear a sunstone during this eclipse time to attract positivity and stability in relationships. You can also chant Om Suryaya Namaha 11 times in and around this eclipse time. So Leos, for you, 2026 is not about proving your power, it is about owning it quietly. When confidence meets humility, the world naturally follows your lead.